Hi, I'm Emma Einen and this is Steve Einen and we're from Phantom Factory. And we've got fantastic news for you because we have developed the very first official Project Haystack training course, which is available as an e-learning course on our very own e-learning platform. So, Steve, would you like to tell everyone about it?
So it's for anyone who's new to Project Haystack and anyone who needs to model a building in Project Haystack or needs to model any of the equipments in a building with Project Haystack. The course itself assumes that you don't know anything about it at all, so starts at the beginning with tags and explains what they are, what their relationships are, and what kind of data values that they can hold. Then goes through and explains more about the Project Haystack website and how you can use that to explore the tags and the meanings and the relationships. It explains all these difficult terms that everyone throws around, like taxonomy and vocabulary and ontology. And once you understand all of that, well, the course then lets you apply that to actual pieces of equipment in a building. So you get to model air handling units, rooftop units, chillers and meters and lightings and stuff. And before you know it, at the end of the course, you've built a model for an entire building site.
In just a few hours, you can actually be very confident in using Project Haystack and the official website to build your models. So visit our website, you can access the course today, try it out, and if you need to ask anything at all, then please get in touch.